With your work on the production, can you walk us through how we went back and forth in terms of your cultural consultancy with regards to directing us in terms of the story and the direction, and perhaps little bits and pieces here that you're like,
You were able to process and synthesize what I have been talking about. I think the biggest concern of yours was, can I take something ancient and historical and flick it and do a creative twist to it? And I was guided by, and I'm still guided by it, by the words of the late Epilihau Offa. We draw from Mother Earth, but we express it in creative ways in contemporary spaces, but the grounding and the anchor is anchored in the old traditional body of knowledge. It's also how the UNESCO Convention 2003 defines traditional knowledge, or in the UNESCO term, it's called intangible cultural heritage. The way it is expressed changes, but the anchor still is the tradition.